Look at me. It really was not easy, but I can breathe. And I'm so grateful, 'cause I can see I am free to do exactly what I please. So come with me to a place where we can be. Follow me to a place where we can be absolutely free to be exactly what you wanna be, completely lose control. That's when I need you more. Give me the key to set your heart and spirit free.
Hey, yep, video guy here.
What's your name, man?
Rick.
What are you doing today?
Going skydiving.
How did you get talked into that?
Actually, I talked to my girlfriend.
Yeah?
Yep.
Are you pretty excited? Are you nervous?
A little bit.
You should be, because I've jumped with Brad before. Just remember though, all you need to know is this. No matter what happens, I'm gonna be fine. All right, I'll meet you in the plane. Go catch up to your tandem master. It's gonna be fun.
Listen what I say, oh. I got your hey, oh. Now listen what I say, oh. When will I know that I really can go to the well once more? Time to decide on when it's killing me. When will I really see all that I need to look inside? Come to believe that I better not leave before I get my chance to ride. When it's killing me, what do I really need? All that I need to look inside. Hey, oh, listen what I say, oh. Come back and hey, oh, look at what I say, oh.
Woo! Won't be long now, man. What do you think?
Oh my God, I'm excited.
Kind of a long way down there, isn't it? You ready?
I love you, Mom.
for a friend, all the channels that have broken down. Now you bring it up, I'm gonna ring it up just to hear you sing it out. Step from the road to the sea to the sky, and I do believe what we rely on. When I lay it on, come get to play it on, all my life to sacrifice. Hey, oh, listen what I say, oh, I got your hey, oh, listen what I say, oh. The more I see, the less I know, the more I like to let it go. Hey, oh, whoa, whoa. Deep beneath the cover of another perfect wonder, where it's so white as snow, privately divided by a world so undecided, and there's nowhere to go. In between the cover of another perfect wonder, where it's so white as snow, running through the field where all my tracks will be concealed, and there's nowhere to go. I said, hey, hey, yeah, oh yeah, tell my Lord now, hey, hey, yeah, oh yeah, tell my Lord now, deep beneath the cover of another perfect wonder, where it's so white as snow, privately divided by a world so undecided, and there's nowhere to go.
Tell me what you think about Scott.
Oh, that was insane.
Pretty cool, isn't it?
It was intense. I felt like I was in a dream.
What was your favorite part of the free-falling canopy ride?
I think the spirals was the best.
Yeah. Where are you going to tell all your friends to skydive at?
Free Fall Express.
High five. Give Brad a big high five. You just saved your life, brother. Congratulations. Welcome to skydiving.
Tell